This is Jason with the Local Locksmith Company, and I'm installing a deadbolt lock on this door today. Got the mortise in the door, frame, and the jamb. And it's going to be a quick video just to show you how to install this real quick. So we got our lock, our bolt. So here's our bolt. Okay, these are adjustable. You can adjust it by turning this right here. So it makes it longer. However, you do have to flip it back. So that says up right there. So if you have a short back set, you want it there. If you have a long back set, it extends, but you have to flip it over, and you have to, it says up on the top of this. Try to see it right there. So let's go ahead and see if it fits in there. See, that's too long. So we have to make it the short one. So, but then we have to flip it over. Now that's locked in there, right? All right. Now we just got to take our two screws, hold it. To hold the bolt in, put our two screws in here. A lot of people say don't use a drill to drill holes in your door lock, but I don't know. I do it because I know how to feather it tight so it doesn't strip the screws out. You can't feather a drill. Okay, so here's the last part of the installation. Okay, so we've got the lock. We just line up the tail piece in the hole here, and it goes just like that. Okay, so then we go to the other side, and the screws are going to go through here. They first have to go through here. So and make sure you're using the right screws in the package. They are the machine head screws. Machine just has the flat, they have the flat end on them. All the other screws will be pointy. Those are wood screws, so that they can screw into the wood without drilling. And then we will feather that shut, feather that one tight, check our lock. Now we're going to check our lock with the key. Lock with the key. Oh, there's a gap on the top up there. We have to fix that. That's a simple adjustment. The lock's too low. We just pull it up and we pull it tight. Perfect. So let's check it now with the key. Alright. Check it in the lock in the door. Now it's locked. You can see the bolt going through right there. Perfect. This is Jason with the Local Locksmith Company. I hope that helped. Show you how to install a deadbolt on a door. If it did, like and subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you.